Hello, good morning to all of you guys. How are you all? I hope all you are doing great. I am also doing great. After a long time, I am uploading a video. So, first of all, I want to apologize for the delay. Before I start the video, those who are visiting the channel for the very first time, let me quickly introduce. My name is Shreeram. Tudu. I am from Odisha, India. And recently, I have completed my BTech degree in 2025. And currently, I am giving tuition classes at my home. Gardening is my favorite hobby, and I have a beautiful garden at my home. And I also run two YouTube channel. One is Garden Time, where I upload garden related content, and another is English with Shreeram Tudu, currently where you are watching me. Apart from this, I like to read English book and learn new things in English. Right now I am looking for job opportunity where I can grow professionally and use my skill. I am hardworking, eager to learn, and passionate about self-improvement. That's it all about me, guys. Let's jump into the topic. As you all know, I had taken up a challenge, and I am happy to share that I have completed it. My goal was to convert my simple looking garden into full-fledged fruit garden. I started this journey back in February 2025, and finally now it is completed. I have planted different varieties of fruit plant and species. Of course, plant take time to grow and mature, but I will keep you sharing update as my garden grow. Okay guys, now let's come to the main topic. As you all know that this channel is focused on learning English language, and since 2025 is almost coming up an end, just 3 months to go. Starting today, I will upload English related content daily for the next 3 months. I hope you will support me throughout the journey. The main goal is to improve my spoken English, and I also encourage all of you to start practicing English every day, even just a little. Let's work together towards becoming fluent in English, because today's world English is not just an important, it is essential. I had stopped practicing in between. From now on, every video on this channel will be in English. Let's make this last 3 months of 2025 truly productive and transformative. Thanks a lot for spending your time with me. It means a lot. Stay positive, stay creative, keep growing. I will catch you in the next video. This is Shreeram Tudu signing off. Bye.